Hello guys. So this is an investment, or let me say a Hype script which I bought it from online trader. One thing I enjoy about working with script is because it's faster and it is very easier to access and edit, unlike coding from scratch. Most developers don't really understand what it means by working with templates or working with already built script. So this is an investment script which is well tailored, well built using PHP, using Laravel, using PHP, mostly PHP. It has a touch of Laravel, but you can modify this script to the way you want because it has all features you need for a Hype investment script. You can add extra features if you want. It has its own PH. So I will be teaching you how to navigate the cpanel. I'll also be letting you know how to get the script because I will be showing you. So I'll be showing you where to get the script. As you can see, I bought the script, but I'll be selling it for a cheaper price. I'll be reducing the price. This is where you can get the script, and I'll be dropping the link in the description below. So this is the homepage of the site. I'll also teach you how to change the homepage, how to create another homepage for yourself. So to get started, if you have gotten the script and you have gotten your cpanel, if you don't know how to buy cpanel, I will keep a link below. You watch a video on how to get your own cpanel. So first of all, we are going to be creating our database. So first of all, you have to create your database. Like I said, this is a very simple step of creating your own website without stressing yourself. You don't need to come and start coding from scratch. And with this, you can watch the code and look how the website work. You can even build your own demo website, or you can build your own investment website. So I have created my user and database. So I'm going to click on all privileges. So I'll check I made both the password and the user to be together, like to be identical, so that I won't have to start copying another thing. So I'm done with this. Now when you download the script, you're going to be downloading both the database file. Now after creating the database and the user, we are going to be installing the script which we downloaded. So if you have gotten the script, I think I made a mistake here. So sorry for this. This is the real script. You will see online 60.zip. This is the updated online Hype advanced investment site. So I have gotten the script and I have installed it. So I am going to extract it now. Now when you are extracting this, just know that everything will have to be in. Now when you are done with the installation and the extracting of the script, the online trade, this is the updated investment platform of the online trader. I got this directly from the online trade. So I'm going to be giving you both the database, the SQL file, and the PHP file. So we are going to be installing our our SQL file. I'll also include this SQL file in the file that you are going to be downloading from the website. So it won't take you time to create or to import or any installation problem. So I'm going to click on import. I'm going to be clicking on the import. So please don't forget to click on the subscription button so that you can get notified on any of our videos. Whenever we make new videos, you can get notified. So I'm done with this now. So I'm going to be updating my .env file. So if your hosting setting is not on show or dot files, please click on the settings and you will see where it is and you can set it. So I'm going to be removing this now. This is what it came with. So I'm going to be putting the database I created earlier. So from the start of the video, I created the database. So I'm going to change the password. So I'm done with that. I will change the link to the link of my website. So I'm done with that too. I'll add my link. So I'm going to save it now. I'll close this and come back after it's saved. So it's saved now. Now you click on the link. You click on the link on your link. It will take you to this place. This is where you are going to start your installation. So just add any random thing, add any random word. It will activate, then click on next step. So you add your link. You add your database. You add the database that you created earlier. So you create your admin. You create your new admin. I'm going to be adding my password. I'm going to be adding my email for this. So I'm clicking on install. Okay, I think I made a mistake in my database, so I'll go and update it. See, I made a mistake earlier when I was creating the database, so I am going to correct the mistake. So even here, even at the .env file, I also made a mistake. So my domain is n.oc/bucbc.com. Now, like I said earlier, I'm going to be making the changes in the database details that I didn't change, that I made mistake earlier. So I forgot to add an I earlier. I added an I when I was creating the database and the user. So I'm still going to use my email and my password. So I will save the .env file. Then I will now click on, you can see the installation is complete. Now you see you need to change your PHP version to 8.2 or higher. That is what the script supports when it comes to PHP. So we are going to go to our PHP editor or multi-PHP manager. Sorry, multi-PHP manager, not multi-PHP editor. So multi-PHP manager. So I'm going to be selecting the domain I installed the script is 8.1. So I'm going to change it to 8.2. So I'll refresh it. So I'm going to refresh it now. So it's working perfectly now. So we are going to be editing. So just like that, we have this. This is the interface. When you are done installing, when you are done following the steps I showed you in the video, you didn't miss any step, you are going to have this. In my next video, I'll be showing you how to edit the plans, how to edit the investment, how to edit the logo, and how to do some other admin features. So please, if you have watched this video to this place, please click on the subscription button. Make sure you get the script. If you have any question, please don't forget to ask me. I'm dropping my WhatsApp number here, so you can chat me on WhatsApp for any updates or anything. Thank you very much. Please don't forget to click on the subscription button. Thank you.